I paint in acrylics, and one of the things that I encountered when I first started painting was just how much cleanup there was. I mean, you put all this paint on your palette, and then over a couple of hours of painting, it starts to dry because acrylic paint dries really quickly. And so either you're scrubbing it out with a scrub brush and soap in the sink, or scraping it out. Either way, it's a lot of cleanup, and it got really annoying. So I tried to figure out a way to, without buying anything expensive, because, you know, as artists, we are often on a budget. I know I am. So I needed to find something that was cheap and easy, and something that would clean up, because I have tendonitis in my arms from painting, and I don't want to make it worse from all the washing all my palettes off. So here's what I found. I wanted to share this hack with you guys today. Okay, so what I have here is what some people might use as a palette just by itself, right? And you can kind of see there's actually some paint on here that I have never really cleaned off. This is a piece of plexiglass cut out, and the edges are just kind of sanded off and bubbled. But for this little trick, you can use anything flat. I mean, you could use a cutting board or a piece of wood, anything, but I like this. I like the plexiglass because it's lightweight, and if you do want to clean it, you can wash it, whereas a piece of wood or something you might not be able to do. But and then the trick is wax paper. Wax paper is cheap, like $2 a roll. And then what I do is I tear off a piece that is about the same size, and then I wrap it around the top and bottom. I leave the sides unwrapped. Let me see if I can show you. So this is the back. So I wrap it around here, the top and bottom, so it's really tight. If you fold over the sides, it's going to get annoying. I mean, I guess you could, it's hard to get it to stay. I guess you could tape it down if you really wanted to have it securely on there, but I've never needed to do that, and I've been using this method for years. So, and then I just use the palette. I just use the plexiglass to keep it held down onto my table here, and then I can put all my paint on here, and I can mix it, and even use like water to water it down, and the wax paper holds up really good. I mean, as you can see, I mean, I haven't washed this palette for years probably, and so there is some paint that gets through the wax paper, but it's not enough to really hurt anything. And after a while, you can kind of feel some of the wax from the wax paper building up on the plexiglass palette too, but it doesn't hurt anything. And then what's so awesome is that there's no cleaning. You just take this and you just throw it away when you're done. And it's much better for the environment to do this than it is to drain it and, you know, wash it and then drain it all down the drains. That's what I used to do when I first started painting. I thought, well, it's acrylic paint, it's water-based, I'll just use soap and water and clean up all this stuff. But I never really thought about how that was impacting the environment, because all of that paint, although it says it's non-toxic if ingested by humans, there's still a lot of nasty chemicals in that stuff, and it's all going down the drain and into the water, and we don't need more chemicals in our water supply and in the earth that way. So by folding this up and putting it in your trash can, it's a much greener way to take care of your old unusable acrylic paint. Have fun painting. See you next time.